Hi, Michael with Lampride. Today we're going to do a how-to video on how to change your blades out on your cutter. When we do this, we want to make sure we have a brand new bolt and nut to replace with a brand new blade. So let's get started. Okay, we've already taken one blade off. So we're going to get ready and we're going to take this other one off. To do that, we're going to rotate this pan around till we get our access hole on our flex wing cutter. Once we do that, we're going to take our 1 11/16 socket through our access hole to take this nut off. Jake, let's go ahead and let's loosen that up. On our blade bolt, we have a little notch there. We have to match up with our notch in our blade carrier. We're going to put our washer on, down our nut. Then we're going to go ahead and have Jake through the access hole again, tighten that nut up. Okay, our final step is we're going to take our torque wrench, set to 450 foot-pounds, and we're going to torque this nut onto this blade bolt. So Jake, let's go ahead. I'm going to spin the blade carrier around, get through your access hole. So now we'll do our other blade, and then the job would be complete. Thank you for joining us today. If you have further questions, please go to lampride.com or your local Lampride dealer, or as always, your operator's manual. And don't forget to like and subscribe.